Hello everyone. When it comes to memorable moments on the road, we cannot ignore the dramatic situations with giant trucks. VinFTC will bring you a clear view of the dangerous moments, from narrow escapes to fatal mistakes. Let's explore the world of speed, where every small mistake can lead to serious consequences.
We bleed.
Volunteers at Wednesday's tree freeing. His focus for the day.
Aaron was driving when he noticed a car stopped abruptly in the middle of the road ahead. Aaron did not react in time and crashed into the back of the car. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. This situation highlights the importance of keeping a safe distance and staying focused while driving. When driving, always pay attention to the traffic situation ahead and react quickly when you see a risk. Maintaining a safe distance and staying calm will help you avoid dangerous situations, such as losing control or crashing. When encountering a dangerous situation on the road, such as a car losing control or going up a grassy slope, you should immediately reduce speed and keep a safe distance from other vehicles. Always pay attention to your surroundings and be ready to handle unexpected situations to ensure the safety of yourself and others. To avoid traffic accidents, always pay attention to traffic lights and check your surroundings before moving. If you see a red light or warning sign, reduce speed and stop completely. Make sure you carefully observe surrounding vehicles before continuing. While Jack was stopped at a red light, he saw a white car parked on the side of the road, ready to turn onto the main road. At this moment, a black car approached and the two cars collided violently. Alexander was moving quickly on the road when a tractor appeared above, close to the side of the road. To avoid colliding with the bus, Alexander was forced to adjust the steering wheel, swerving out of the grassy road divider. Fortunately, no one was injured. Frank was driving on a road under construction and nearly caused an accident when the truck in front of him suddenly slowed down due to a traffic cone. To avoid similar dangerous situations, always keep a safe distance and pay attention to road signs when moving through an area under construction. When moving on the road, always keep a safe distance from surrounding vehicles and focus on observing the traffic situation. If you see unusual signs from other vehicles, reduce speed and prepare to brake in time to handle it. Being alert can help you avoid dangerous situations. Samuel was driving in cold weather with thick fog, which limited visibility. Due to difficulty in observing, he almost collided with the car in front. Fortunately, Samuel was able to avoid it in time, so everyone was safe. This situation highlights the importance of driving carefully in bad weather conditions. This situation highlights the importance of when driving at night. Always maintain a safe speed and make sure to look closely at your surroundings. Use appropriate headlights and increase your concentration to reduce the risk of collisions, especially when there are vehicles parked on the side of the road. Road safety comes first. Benjamin was driving when he saw a black car coming out of a supermarket. At the same time, another car approached. Because neither of them looked carefully, they collided, causing the car to flip over. Fortunately, the driver only suffered minor injuries. This situation emphasizes the importance of maintaining a safe speed and paying attention when driving. When driving, maintain a safe speed and always look carefully around. If you see a parked car or a car at risk of collision, slow down and be prepared to react to avoid an accident and protect everyone's safety. Scott was driving on a two-way street when he witnessed a truck in the opposite direction lose control and crash into a streetlight pole. Fortunately, the incident did not cause a collision with another car, and no one was injured. Always obey traffic signals and observe carefully at intersections. Slow down when approaching intersections and be prepared to react early to avoid accidents and keep yourself and other drivers safe. Larry was driving at high speed when he came to a curve, did not react in time and crashed into a field beside the road. Fortunately, he was not injured. This situation highlights the importance of slowing down and taking care when entering a curve to avoid unwanted incidents. If you feel sleepy while driving, stop and rest immediately. Driving while tired can lead to loss of control and accidents. Always make sure you have had enough sleep and are alert before starting your journey to protect the safety of yourself and others on the road. Eric was driving when he saw a car coming from the right side lose control. Fortunately, the driver of the car was able to regain his composure and brake before the accident occurred. This situation highlights the importance of staying calm and reacting quickly in emergency situations. Nicholas was driving when he saw a few cars parked on the side of the road ahead. As he approached, he did not look carefully and crashed into the back of one of the parked cars. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. This situation highlights the importance of looking carefully and keeping a safe distance from parked cars. When you see another car having a problem or losing control, slow down and keep a safe distance. Always look around to react promptly to dangerous situations and ensure the safety of yourself and others on the road. Jacob was driving when he saw an accident ahead that caused cars to stop. As he approached, Jacob did not look carefully and crashed into a parked car. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. Road safety should be a top priority in all situations. When approaching parking areas, slow down and look around for cars that may suddenly turn onto the road. Jeffrey was driving on the road when he saw a blue car coming from the right turning onto the right side. Because he did not look carefully, when approaching, Jeffrey collided lightly with the white car. Fortunately, there was no serious damage. Jason was driving when a sudden bout of drowsiness struck him, causing him to lose control of his car and flip it over. Fortunately, he suffered only minor injuries. This situation illustrates the importance of getting enough rest before driving, especially if you feel tired or sleepy. Timothy was driving at night when he suddenly lost control and crashed into the car in front of him. Fortunately, no one was injured in the collision. This situation highlights the importance of staying focused and careful when driving at night. Jack was approaching an intersection when a car suddenly turned onto the road from the right. Because both drivers did not look carefully, the two cars collided slightly. Fortunately, no one was injured. Always pay close attention when driving, especially in road conditions where there may be obstacles. Being alert helps you handle unexpected situations safely. Donald was driving when he saw a concrete mixer truck moving with a car next to it. Because the concrete mixer truck was large, the driver did not see the car coming close and used the turn signal to turn onto the side of the road, resulting in a collision with the car.
Right now, we can take a